I'm painting a female. Yes! Yeah! This lovely lady I'm painting today is Lotara Sarrin, the ship mistress of the 12th Legion warship the Conqueror. And if you don't know who Lotara Sarrin is... Anyway, if you don't know who the 12th Legion is, what Warhammer is, or who Horus is, a quick search will open you to this rabbit hole of lore that takes a lifetime to learn. But don't panic, there are YouTubers who focus purely on Warhammer lore.
Pull their asshole open, step into their asshole, close the door behind you, fuck this whole asshole up.
Now before I start painting this goddess and her powerful abs, let me clarify a few things. I'm not a professional painter. First, we need to prime our queen to ensure that the paint adheres properly. And you know we're doing that zenithal priming. Now we're going to do a 3-step white dry brush. The whites I'll be using are Ushabti Bone, Praxati White, and White Scar? Hang on a minute, my friend. If you want that worn white look or painting a World Eater's army like yours truly, I highly recommend using the World Eater painting recipe by the YouTuber Darcy Bono Creations. I've searched far and wide on this platform and this recipe is by far the most realistic and lore accurate to the World Eaters of the Horus Heresy. Yeah, I accidentally dropped the mini and it broke off from the base. The actual print of the mini isn't the best. I should have ordered it at a larger scale.